I'm gonna give you a review on this Lodge pan. So I've had this pan for years and it has held up beautifully. It's heavy, it's sturdy, but it is cast iron, which is so much better for you because it's not leaching any toxins or chemicals into your food. That's why I got it in the first place, and I only use this pan when I'm cooking. It's very rare I use any other stainless steel pots and pans unless I'm boiling water. So this has held up beautifully, and you know, the cleaning of it, I know people kind of get a little, they question how to clean it because it could rust easily. And I really have never had an issue with that. If I need to re-season it, I just take some olive oil and some coarse salt and just re-season it. I just kind of rub it in a little bit. I take a paper towel and I'll just kind of spread it around. I'll take a little salt and just put it on like low or medium heat for just a little bit, and then it completely cleans it up. Lodge also carries a product to help with the rust if you need to rub it off. But it's easy to clean, it's easy to use. I know it's safe for my family, and that goes a long way.